Hello everyone, today we're gonna convert Python file to EXE file. Firstly, I have the folder in desktop, the DAL. I open it. In this folder we have main.py. It's a simple calculator. I open it in PyCharm. This is the source code of this file. I open the terminal and type pip install pyinstaller. PyInstaller is a module of Python that convert from Python file to EXE file. As you can see, I have already installed this module, and we're gonna type pyinstaller -f with flag and the main.py, and we will paste in the EXE file in 4 or 6 seconds, and we have the message completed successfully. We're gonna to DAL folder, and there are some files, this build and main.spec. We need this file, this, and we have main.exe. I can open it, and I want to add 10, 10, 20. That's good. And what if I want to put the icon to this app? Let's do this. Yeah, I remove this files that appeared, delete, and going to the terminal. Firstly, I download before the video. I download the icon, in that icon. It's in desktop, and in terminal I will type pyinstaller .f .i -f -i, and the path for icon. I copy it and I will paste it, and the name of file, name.py. I will using the EXE file, and we see the completed successfully message. I open this and open the main exe. As you can see, we have the icon of the calculator. Yeah, that's pretty good. And I wanna multiply. Yeah, it's working. Thank you for watching a video. Subscribe and put likes.